We couldn't be happier. The feedback has been excellent. Plenty of growers, great technology, great weather right in the heart of Gatton. Through the gates on the second day in the morning, we've had, I think, nearly 1,500 unique people through the gates, and that's absolutely incredible. All states, basically, and of course the local have turned out on mass as well. But all states, we've had grower groups come from North Queensland, Tasmania, South Australia, Victoria, New South Wales, so every state represented. We've had people come from Vietnam, Europe, New Zealand.
My name's Sam Webster. I'm from Carbon Robotics. We do the laser weeder, and what we're doing here this afternoon is basically we're identifying weeds and basically targeting weeds amongst crops and shooting them with lasers. We use a 240 watt diode type laser, and basically what we're trying to do is target the meristem or the growth point of the weed and kill it. This particular unit can kill up to 2,500 weeds per minute. We've got 10 machines across ANZ, and we've got another couple that are due to arrive in the next couple of months. What made us decide to come to this event was we haven't participated in anything like this here in Australia. It's been a great opportunity. It's hard to get farmers or growers alike in one place at one time. This was a fantastic opportunity for us to do that. We're very fortunate, and I'm going to have to give him a plug, that Anthony Bauer of Lockyer Valley Organics, he allowed us to use his or borrow his unit. But again, it was the opportunity to participate alongside some of the other guys or our peers in this industry, and to do it in a lovely place like Gatton, which is one of the I guess the food bowls of Australia. The interest has been good. In regards to net new inquiries, there's been a few, but it's just been another good pit or touch point for us with customers who are interested, but again, just don't have the ability to probably do these things in isolation. They can come and see all matter of ag tech in one place. So the interest has been really, really good. So we can't complain.
We ran the event in 2023 and it completely surprised us. I guess there was an unmet need out there in grower land, but also in the technology space for an event like this. We had pressure and interest to run an event this year, and again the timing was great. It's a much bigger event. We think it is an every 2-year event, just due to we always want to put new stuff on the ground. That's what brings the growers out, not to look at the same stuff they looked at last time, but to be looking at the new stuff that's either commercialising or coming through the pipeline. So yeah, watch this space, I guess, Campbell.